So I'm just cooking off some mixed fish, salmon, cod and smoked haddock in some Indian spices and a chicken oxo cube and water. I'm just going to turn the heat down a little bit on that. So I'm making a sort of a kedgeree this evening, mixed fish kedgeree. And I've got a pack of brown rice in there, boiling the bag rice. And I've added a little bit of turmeric to help give it some colour. And yeah, that's going to be it. That's going to be the base of my kedgeree. Just going to chop up some onions to go with that. Okay, so I put 3 really large tablespoons of cooked rice on my plate, and I was curious how much a portion that would be, and it weighed out at 130 grams. So this is the pack, 1 pack of rice that I cooked, and you can see, you wouldn't think that a small pack of rice would cook up so much, but it has. Now I could have put all that in there and eaten it and think, well, it's all no count, that's fine, but I am getting small and I do need to be portion savvy, and that is quite a large portion. So that's going in there into my yummy fish sauce, and that's going to be my evening meal, my kedgeree. Now I was lucky enough when I was in Turkey on holiday that I was able to get some saffron, and I've got a teaspoon of saffron in there and some fresh flat leaf parsley and fresh coriander. So that's it. That's going to be heated up later and ready to eat, but it's all done and dusted. I thought I would show you, this is quite a large dish. That feels quite a heavy portion. So you can see I could put all that rice in there and ate it mindlessly. I mean, I'm hungry, there's no harm in that, but that may slow down my weight loss. Now I've got all this rice left, and you think that one tiny little bag, you know, looks like an average portion, but what is an average portion? Okay, so that's where I've come to. The smaller I've got, I'm realising I need to be pulling my portions in a little bit. So just get a guideline. I know a rough handful in dry weight, but I wasn't quite so sure of the wet weight, yeah. So I quickly checked it. Just have a guideline. So yummy.